Hi, this is Mike Reese from Carlisle Elite Realtors. From time to time, Chris and I will do videos for folks that are out of state, and that's what we're doing out here today. This property is located at 1960 Rocky Knob Road in Finger. Pretty nice property, got a few acres with it. I'm going to kind of take you around and show it to you. Carlisle Elite Realtors located at 510 Carriage House Drive, Jackson, Tennessee, and we could be reached at 731-300-7777. If you live out of state and need to look at a property, want a video done on it, give us a call. I'll be glad to help. We'll turn around here and let you take a look at the property. Thanks for watching. Folks, I just wanted to kind of let you see the entrance on it. It's got a gate here and it looks like a fence, been fenced in for a while. This is out in the country, and I don't know if that's what you're looking for or not, but this is what it is. I'm gonna go down and let you take a look at the house itself here in just a second. Folks, when I talked to the agent, they said the house basically needed to be finished. I haven't been inside, but we'll go in and take a look at it. Just want to do mostly outside right now and let you take a look. Got a little circle drive here. Big nice front porch there that's not covered. And we'll go on down here. Got a couple of central units there. And as you can see, that's walkout doors and there's no deck up there. So that's one of the things that you'd have to do if you wanted to utilize that. Kind of looks like it might have 28 acres, but kind of looks like it goes down into a big old gully there. Look and see if I can see how far down it goes. I mean, if you're looking for something to hunt on, this will probably do the trick. Looks like it flattens out a little bit right back in there. I don't know if you can tell much about it or not, but looks like it kind of flattens out down there a little bit. There's another door walking outside that needs a deck on it. Sure what this was, but it might have been a central unit here or something at one time. Not sure. There's the little pond that they were talking about. So as you can see, it's kind of grown up and hadn't been taken care of. I don't even know if it's got water in it or not. Can't tell much about that roof. It don't look like it's that old, but then again, it kind of got an odd pattern to it up there. Let's go in and take a look at the inside. Little closet there. There's one of those doors going out to nowhere. Nice bathroom. Nice big shower. As you can see, like the agent was saying, a lot of it had not been finished. It needs to be finished out. Got tile floors. Spiral staircase. I'll go up there in just a minute. Got the kitchen. Looks like there's a looks like you'd have to add decks. I don't know, you might have to come across the whole back thing, because this one don't have, these two don't have anything under them either. This is kind of a utility room, and I would turn the light on, but I think the bulb's shot. And then I know the bulb's shot going down into the basement because it shot when I turned it on. Let me reset this and I'll show you the basement. There's the door going outside. Lots of room in here. I can't tell much about it. I don't know if there's lights or not. This would have to be cleaned out for sure. There's lights, but I don't know how to turn them on, y'all. Lots of room for sure. And I can't tell, it really does look like this basement may have been wet at one time. That looks like sand or something. It's dry right now, and we've had a lot of rain, but I'm not so sure of the, maybe they corrected that. I'm not sure. Anyway, that pretty much does it for the basement. I'll show you the stairs going up. So there again, as you can see, it's not finished up here. Just needs a door there. Needs flooring. I know you guys said that y'all were gonna pay cash, but if you was to decide to do financing, this wouldn't go FHA or VA or anything like that. Looks like they had intentions of finishing it and then stopped. There's those big doors going out. There's the central unit, and this. I don't know if they were going to make a bathroom out of this or not. It kind of looks like it, but I can't tell much about it. Because that looks like where they would put a shower or something. I don't know. All right, guys. I would have called you, but I didn't have a good phone signal. Not one that would do FaceTime, I'm pretty sure. So I'll get this video put together and get it sent over to you. And for anybody else that's watching, this is Mike Reese with Cryolite Elite Realtors, 510 Carriage House Drive, Jackson, Tennessee. And you can reach us at 731-300-7777. Be glad to help you with looking at a house by video like these folks are doing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.